Alright, polpette. Feels like home over here. Can I film you like making the ragu?
See? Okay, this is ragu.
Really? Oh yeah. This is a special like in Italian, right? Italian, very popular.
Very popular. Very good.
Ah, okay. This place is so OG.
Lasagna, bolognese.
Lasagna.
Calzone. This is pomodoro.
Calzone.
Sì, calzone, pomodoro, mozzarella. Only this margarita. Only this lasagna.
This lasagna?
Lasagna.
Lasagna. Ah.
On the side.
Ooh, nice. Do Italian people eat very late?
Okay, see, yeah. See.
So 7, 8 a.m.
Okay, see.
p.m. I mean.
Okay, see, yeah, no problem. See, yeah, it's good. Right.
Yeah. Are you the owner here? Owner? Oh, okay. Just making my dinner, like the ragu, tagliatelle. Very homey feel here, man. Oh man. It's actually quite nice. Yeah. Yeah, it's really nice. I really love these kind of small establishments, you know. So this is really nice.
Only decent set and tables, only decent small room.
Yeah. It really feels like you're sitting at home.
This is in China?
No, I actually live in the Netherlands. Netherlands, yeah. Netherlands. So it's not far. It's like a 2-hour airplane.
Only these are no problems on the set and good. Yeah.
This place is really OG, man. Oh, let's try this this polpette pollo, right?
Chicken.
Chicken. Let's try it out. And Italian people always eat very late, so.
Only these two no problems. Only these two the Google Map. Only this Europa, this and Google Map. Only this and Charting, this and open. Check this in.
Oh, this is really nice. Look at this. Big chicken pieces.
Okay, thank you.
Look at the beat, man. Really nice.
All these are dramas. No problem. See, all these are open. All these are these are fresh fish.
Very tasty, man. It's really nice.
On the side here, this
It's like making my tagliatelle ragu. Yes, thank you. Wow. Amazing.